Good morning, friends, and happy Friday. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. We are closing out our third full week of e-learning. I can't believe that. It has been 3 whole weeks since I've seen all your happy faces in our classroom in room 12. But I hope that we will get back there very soon. But until then, I challenge you to keep trying your very personal best with all of our e-learning and having a positive attitude throughout this, because seeing your smiles and your pictures and your videos really help Miss G also. So to finish off our week, I'm going to share a book with you. If you've noticed, what all of our Read Aloud books have in common this week is that they're all about animals. We read about zebras and llamas and dogs, and today we are going to read about, you guessed it, penguins. Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Wow, take a look at the front cover. What do you notice? I notice that the penguin has a little penguin friend behind him lounging in a lounge chair. That made me smile. I also noticed that he looks like he's hiccuping. Oh no. I want you to think about, we read a lot of informational books about animals right before we left on our break. And those books were nonfiction because they were real. They were real facts about animals. And I want you to think about all the books that you read leading up to our break. Now, think about those books. Some of you read and wrote your own all about books, all about dogs and monkeys and giraffes. Do we think that Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups is a nonfiction book like the ones we read in school? Think about it for a moment. Right. I think this is not a nonfiction book. This book has to be fiction, because do penguins talk in real life? Do penguins get the hiccups, we think? Do they lounge on beach chairs? I think that's pretend. So this book today is fiction. Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Tag Bentley. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you, Franklin said. You would be here soon. Notice the hiccup is in bigger blue writing, so it really sticks out. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. So Franklin has a problem. What is Little Penguin's problem? He has the hiccups. Let's see if we can connect with him. Think about a time that you may have had the hiccups. I can think of some times I've had them and they were really bothering me, and they wouldn't go away for so long. Let's see if someone can help Little Penguin. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Uh-oh, he ate that chili. Maybe it was too spicy for him. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us, this time it's yellow, hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. I've never heard of any of those tricks. But if you think, my friends from room 12, if you can think, Miss G always tells you when you have the hiccups, hold your breath, hold your nose, and swallow. That usually works for me. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. Maybe he'll try my trick, who knows? But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure the hiccups. So I need you to scare me. I think Miss G has tried this on a couple of you, but I don't think it works. Let's see. But I don't really like being scared. So be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Penguin's hiding his eyes. Boo! I don't think he's so scared. He knew it was coming. It didn't work. Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. Ready? You at home can help me. Get ready on 1, 2, 3. Nice and loud. Boo! His fins are flopping. His feathers are flying all over. Let's see if that scared the hiccups right out of him. Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... Oh, it didn't work. Will I have the hiccups forever? Little Penguin still has his problem. We can't help him solve it yet. Let's keep going. One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Okay, ready? You at home. 1, 2, 3. Really loud, really loud. Roar! Oh my. Look at that ginormous, humongous whale. I think this might have worked. I don't think little Penguin was expecting that. Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go out and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice, spicy taco. Let's think. Do you think that Franklin the whale and little Penguin should be eating spicy tacos? Think about what you know. Predict, tell a friend or mom and dad or brother and sister that's around. Predict what might happen again if they eat spicy tacos. I think you're right. I think the hiccups might come back because the first time he got the hiccups was when he ate the spicy chili. Silly Penguin. But I hope you enjoyed this fiction book about penguins. But today I'm going to also share with you a really great nonfiction resource. It's a National Geographic Kids video all about penguins. So you'll learn real, true facts about penguins. And I'm going to challenge you to take a couple pages and write your own all about book about penguins using those facts. Okay, I cannot wait to see what you all come up with. I will check in again with you before the end of the day and before our weekend. Have a beautiful Friday.